Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new cross. There are new feature in Call of Duty Mobile. So this is the Call of Duty Mobile cross with Girls Frontline game. So you can play Girls Frontline game in Call of Duty Mobile. So it's like the you know like merger game, but it's with limited time. So what is this Frontline Girls game? You can play this mode in this event. So click event, click this Girls Frontline collapse mutation event. So the reward itself is quite it's very it's many rewards that you can get. You have to unlock level until level 20 by playing more, and also you can get some epic weapon. For example, this is the final or the top reward you can get: FFR rival cryptic whisper. So what you need to do is by leveling up by playing more. Let's get started. Click confirm. This is the crafting feature, or you can get this reward to crafting or to modify your character, like this blazing grenade, thermobaric grenade. So let's jump to the gameplay. Enter the game. So welcome to the game. So the game is quite simple in here. So you need to fire the enemy, and you can get the crystal, and you can get some star that you can the ingredients of your modify character. So you can upgrade your character by collecting these stars, and also you can use the power in here, like grenade. It's still loading. Stage clear. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.